I might win.
Yes.
Daddy, you coming in my washroom?
Yes. Let's take a video so that you have a remembrance. Sige pa yan. Oh, itaas mo yung ano, pajama. Sige, maraming mga ano, dami mo pa yung hilamos. Hilamos pa. More pa.
More.
Wala, okay na yan. Tapos yung ano, scrub your
It's
feet.
too much water.
Scrub your feet. Clay, remove your ano, remove your slipper. You scrub your feet. Scrub. Mo, sige pa, scrub. Not like that, scrub. Pakita mo ng scrub area. Yan, ganyan. You scrub in the tiles. Yan. Okay na.
Daddy, I have
Basahin mo
school.
yung direction. Tomorrow.
Tomorrow what?
Tomorrow you have school tomorrow.
I have no school.
Today, wala. Tomorrow meron sa It's Sunday night.
It's family day.
Oo, bilis oh.
Daddy, it's family day.
Yes, tonight is family day.
Bakit night?
Eh, it's night naman ah. Di ba, it's night. Si ano muna, Arian, si Clay muna. Mamaya ka na.
Si Clay aman kasi.
Si Clay naman kasi.
Si Daddy aman kasi. English or Spanish?
Spanish.
Let's try.
Si Lynn. Meron pa. Asim, para hindi ka magkasipon at saka ubo. Ano yan? Enerbon? Multivitamins.
Daddy, where's the word Enabon?
Ha?
Where's the word Enabon? Where's the word Enabon? I'll say good night.
Wait lang, Clay. Come here. Yusubo muna. Later na. Ayan o, malaglag. Yan. Meron pa. Okay. Oh, you wait, ate. You want to drink water? Oh, you drink water daw. Ate, drink water daw. Clay, come here. You drink water. Ibaba na yung pajama mo. Yan.
Si Daddy aman kasi.
I say good night, guys.
Good night, guys. I want to...
Yan, you clean your kalat. Oh, we're going to put that there. Huh? Where's the table? Ah, this one, oh. This one, oh. Di ba dun yun? No, ibalik mo muna to, Clay. The table there. Careful. You move. Arin, tulungan mo nga siya. Yan. You fix your things, Clay, ha? Matuto kayo, ha? Yan, good. How about this one? This one po, oh.
Because I'm...
Yung kalat dati. Yung picture kalat. Oh, di ba? It's clean, di ba? Di ba? It's clean. Oh, let's go to the room na, Clay. Arian.